today's video is a August Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays and Fridays 7 PM and Sunday 6 PM. So if you want to see what's inside my August box, then please keep watching. Everything you need to know about Look Fantastic and their beauty boxes and everything else will be in the description box below for you guys. I just want to say this is not a paid sponsorship. This is not an ad. I bought this out my own money and I've done this on my own back. So this is the Look Fantastic August beauty box. So I thought I will do an unboxing for you guys. So if you don't know what this is the Glossy Box unboxing. It is like the Glossy Box. Did I say Glossy Box? Sorry, I meant Look Fantastic beauty box. It is like the Glossy Box. You get it every month. It is a subscription, and everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys, so you guys check that out. So as you open the box, you see this. It's probably upside down. Yes, it is. You see this. So like the Glossy Box, you get a little leaflet, but this one's like a little booklet. It tells you everything of what's inside your box, and it just gives you a little description of how to use things and everything else, and it just tells you a little bit more about things as well, and it gives you a little sneak peek of what's in the next month's box. So just like the Glossy Boxes, you get a tissue paper. So as you can tell, I've already opened this. So you just undo the tissue paper and you see there's only a few little goodies in there, but you see some goodies. So I love these boxes every month. Before I show you the products, I just want to say that I absolutely love Glossy Box and Look Fantastic at the end of the month. It makes me feel more happy, more chilled up. It's like you've actually bought something that makes you happy and a surprise because you don't know what's in them. And the products are absolutely amazing, and they are very much affordable. If you don't know what they are a subscription service. You can choose the plan to suit you, and the box itself you can obviously buy it for £13 a month, and the box itself, so you get one of these boxes every month, and it is worth £50. So you're buying it for £13 and you're getting products worth £50 for the whole thing. So you cannot say no to that. So let's get on with showing you the products. There are 6 products in this box, so without further ado, let's get onto it. So the first product is this. I will bring you closer, don't worry. I'm really bad at pronouncing names, so I do apologise. Havana mineral body lotion, and it's got water on. So I think this is the water kind of one. It says on the back, pamper yourself with this body lotion for soft and smooth skin. So a lovely body lotion, which all comes in handy, especially in like the hot weathers and everything else. You need a good body lotion, so that will come in handy. Next product is this little guy. So when I opened it, I actually thought it was a mini sun cream, but it's a Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash Gentle Golden Micellar Cleanser. So I actually thought it was a mini sun lotion. I thought, oh, that would be handy, a mini travel size like sun lotion. It can pop in your bag, so if you're going to a beach and you don't want to travel around the big full size sun lotions, then these mini ones will be very handy. But it's not, it's an actual body wash. But yeah, it's a lovely little body wash as well. Next little product is, I saw this and I thought, oh my god, it's so tiny. So it is this. This is the Avent Shea Butter Almond Vitamin B3, and it's the Deluxe Night Cream. So this is the tiny night cream. I do have other night creams. I have the LMS night cream in the cabinet in the bathroom, and I have a couple of other night creams as well, but this is a tiny one. So I've never actually tried the brand. Well, I've actually tried the brand before from like face masks and lotions and stuff, but I've never actually tried a night cream before, so this will come in very handy. Next little guy is this one. So this is the Cordell, sorry if I say it wrong, but this is the serum, Radiance Serum Complexing Correcting. So this is like a little serum, and it says on the back, apply it morning and evening before your moisturiser. So I'm going to give that a go some time. Then I've got two more products to show you guys. The second to last product is this Ren Global Protection Day Cream. So this must be like a sun cream, but in a day cream, if you guys know what I mean. So this is, as you can tell, I've not even used any of these products, but this product is already half empty. It's like that to there, so that bit's all empty. But I've not even tried it. I don't know if it's still got the, it should have the seal still on. Yeah, look, it's still got the seal still on there. I don't know if you guys can actually see that, but I hope you can. But yeah, I've not even tried it, but I cannot wait to give that a go. It's a brand, I think it's a brand that I've never used before. I've never actually heard of the Ren Clean skincare before, but I'm willing to give it a go. That's why I love these boxes, because you get brands that you've never used before, and you get products that you've never used before. It's the same as Glossybox. You get loads and loads of products that you've never used before, and it is really, really nice, because if you love the products and you think, oh my god, they actually, sorry, that scared me, whatever that was, but if you love the products and you think, oh my god, I'm going to try and find the full size ones, so the miniature versions or the little testers that they send you every month is worth it, because you can test them and you can actually see if they are for you or not. So you don't have to go and fork out for loads of money if they're not for you. And then last but not least is this beautiful little one here. This is from the Percy and Reed London Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Mousse. I love mousses, I love hairsprays, I love mousses, I love everything to do with hair, because you know when you do like curling styles and everything, you want a good mousse, and it is a really nice one as well. It smells quite nice as well. So I can't wait to use that. I don't know when I'm going to curl my hair next, but when I do, I will use this. I do love a good mousse, and I do love a good hairspray. Sorry if you can hear anything in the background. I have the window open because it's so hot in here. I've got my ring lights facing me, it is so hot, and yeah, that is why you can hear things in the background. So guys, that has been my Look Fantastic unboxing of my August. Plus, when you get these boxes, they have little quotes inside the lids as well. So this one says, do more of what makes you happy. No, do more of what makes your soul radiant. I love opening these boxes every month and reading the good little quotes, because they are really, really nice, and they are actually really, really inspiring as well. Guys, that has been my August Look Fantastic box, or beauty box unboxing. If you want to know anything about Look Fantastic, everything you need to know will be in the description box below. They are very much worth your money. Like I said, I pay £13 a month for a box like this every month, and a box like that every month is worth £50, and you get beautiful products inside. Like I said, you can test so many products out. They are so lovely, and they are worth your money as well. The products are amazing, the box itself is amazing, and yeah, if you have any problems or anything, or if you have bought them and you think, oh my god, that I've never bought them, or I've got a problem, always send a message to Look Fantastic or contact them by customer service. They are very helpful as well. They have a very lovely team that will help you along the way. So guys, if you have liked this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down the bottom, and don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. There is so many contents coming up your way. I've got my birthday. God knows what's going to go on with my birthday. I've got, what else have I got? I've got some more house updates for you guys, just to keep you guys up in the loop. If you guys are getting fed up with them, can you please let me know, so I know whether to do some more or not. But I would like to keep you guys updated of what's going on in the house. There is loads to update you on. There's something addition to the dining room. The cupboard underneath the stairs, Nathan is completely changing that. That is going to be our storage room, so Nathan's doing that at the moment. But yeah, there is so much going on at the moment. Then I've got a birthday wish list. I've got the actual birthday. We've got Halloween. And then it's the start of the Christmas content, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm going to start buying a load of birthday presents. I'm going to be starting to buy a load of Christmas presents for my family. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to split them into his and hers. So I will do a his and hers gift guide to give you guys some inspiration of what to get your friends or your family members or boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever. So I'm going to be doing a gift guide, but I will not be telling you whose presents they are, because otherwise I have family watching my videos and they will know what they're getting. So I'm going to buy loads and loads of presents for everyone, and then I'm going to be doing a big gift guide. There's going to be like Christmas content as well. Oh my god, I'm so excited and I cannot wait for them to show you them, guys. And hopefully there will be some like up-to-date room tours and house tours. So if you have liked this video, give it a great big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.